Hi friends, this video shows how to hard reset or factory reset. So first we need to select settings from the top right corner. Select settings. Then select device preferences. Then go to about. Then here go down and select reset, factory reset. Here you can see the factory reset. Select it. Then select factory reset. So this will erase all data from your device internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings and downloaded apps. So it will erase everything, including videos, images and everything. Okay, so please select factory reset, then select erase everything. So now it's erasing data, so please wait. Then select language here, then select skip, then select the name of the Wi-Fi network which you are using. So I am using this Wi-Fi network. Let me select it, then enter the Wi-Fi password here. Okay, I have entered Wi-Fi password. Let me connect. Now it's connecting, please wait. Okay, connected. Then select sign in. Enter Gmail ID here. Okay, then select next. Then enter the password of the Gmail account. Okay, done. Let me connect. Then select accept. Then select no, no, continue, continue, no thanks, no. So I don't want to install any of the apps. I will install it later. Then select continue. Okay, done. So this way we can do hard reset or factory reset. So please try this.